My name is McAden. I'm from County Westmeath in Ireland, and I'm a laidlaw scholar at Trinity College Dublin. But there's a list given out every year at Trinity. I went through the list. There was some fantastic looking opportunities. This one here was the best. It was also financially the most achievable. So off I went, and I don't regret one thing about it. My probably favourite period is Roman Republic, and it just all worked out as we're digging here in a Roman Republican era house. We've had lectures on zoo archaeology and site planning, and Jakob has done a bit of instruction on ceramic drawing, which I found really interesting. We've had a couple of opportunities to do that. I've studied history. I haven't studied archaeology per se, so it's been a great introduction and skills for life. There's a great crew around, and the camaraderie pulls you through it, definitely. It's hard, it's physical hard work. I've done it before, and coming to study history, I didn't think that experience I had working on farms, things like that, would be of great benefit to me. But in fact, it is here, If you can dig in conditions like this, then you can dig anywhere in the world. I think we hit 42, or we will hit 42 this afternoon, so it's a good test for yourself.